Hi guys, this is Alpha Day 10, Balls and Lights Garland, and Christmas Tree Bows. To make the Bells and Lights Garland, I used lights, jute, scissors, twine, and bells. I strung bells on twine. Then I spaced them out and tied a knot for each bell. I measured the jute to be about twice the length of my lights. Tie the end of the twine and lights to the jute. Twist the twine and jute. Then twist the lights with it. Turn your lights on to make sure the spacing is okay. Knot the end around the lights. You can also tape it. You can hang ornaments on it or add it to your wreath or garland. I wrapped it around a wreath I made last year, and I just tie the battery pack to the back of it. And your Bells and Lights garland is done. To make the Christmas tree bows, you'll need ribbon, tinsel cord, and scissors. I cut a 30-inch piece of ribbon. Fold the ends in to make a trifold. I pulled about a ½ inch on each end. Then pinch the center of the ribbon. Make a double knot with tinsel. Make sure there's enough tinsel to tie the bow onto your tree or garland. Cut the ends of the ribbon at a slight angle and your Christmas tree bows are done.